What's up everyone, Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, June 24th, 2019. I want to start this video by telling you I could not be any more bullish on Bitcoin. I am bullish on Bitcoin, especially within the cycle that we are in right now. I want to let you know that, especially if you're new to this channel and you're not used to me or other YouTubers talking about pullbacks, consolidation, I'm bullish. So that's out of the way. The second thing I want to do, lay some groundwork for this video. We are in an ascending triangle, right? And actually, we can look at the hourly charts. Where's the hourly? I have the hourly somewhere. Here's the hourly chart. Kind of gives you a nice little area. This $11,000 area is pretty much the average of where we've seen resistance a bunch of times. Currently hugging it right now as I do this video. Potential breakout to 12,000 plus is in play, even within context of this video. But what are we talking about? I want to be on the weekly. I want to just do a video solely on this, and I want to make it to the point, right? I don't want this to be a long video. It's very simple data to kind of process and filter through your mind, and hopefully filter through your approach to how you go about these markets, cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, since we're looking at Bitcoin charts. Here it is, weekly chart. What I want you to just focus your attention on, what I want to talk about is this middle screen. It's the RSI, it's the momentum of Bitcoin. It tells us when momentum to the upside is just, overextended, it's overbought. And so when we're in that area, that's when we get these consolidations to the downside. 100% of the time, historically, on this chart, and these are numbers, this isn't my opinion, this is what the charts say, 100% of the time, when hitting this white line that you see, this horizontal white line I charted, or slightly above it, Bitcoin has seen a pretty dramatic pullback, right? Really dramatic if we're talking, in an environment like this, where we're at the top of a bull market and we're about to enter bear market, right? 90% or so consolidation in that type of environment. If we extend the chart a little bit and focus on the areas I want to talk about in this video, you can see the data is in a different market now, right? This is like a bull market, and we see pullbacks even then. And what we're really looking at is this white horizontal line that I've charted. In this overbought territory, Bitcoin, every time in this vicinity, sees steep pullbacks. Now, these are healthy pullbacks. Even entering a bear market, it's healthy for this long-term trend of Bitcoin. You want $1 million Bitcoin? We need those bear markets with heavy consolidation. It's just part of the cycle, and you really have to get used to it if you're going to be here a while, because you'll go crazy if you always just want Bitcoin to go up, right? And break all-time highs every day. Requires patience, but it's healthy, right? So here's what we're looking at. We have overextension multiple times on the weekly chart in this last bull market, right? And this chart back, and when we're looking at the RSI, this goes back to like June of 2016, 3 years worth of data that does not lie. And every time we've been at this line or slightly above it, Bitcoin has had a major pullback, right? We have one here, 40%, let's just call it. We have 37%. We have another 40%, so 39%. And it happens time and time again. I didn't chart every single one, but here's one that I didn't chart. We have 30%. Now, those are bullish consolidations, right, for Bitcoin, and it's the continuation to all-time highs. We need that now too. So I love doing bullish videos. I've done a lot of bullish videos in the last couple weeks, but these videos are so important, especially for people that are new to this space and, maybe just expecting Bitcoin just to continually go up and never stop. We actually even had a little bit of a 20% consolidation a couple weeks ago. It was barely noticed because of, all the excitement coming out of this bear market, right? We've had a great last few months. And so this resistance here on the RSI was kind of our first hint, right? It's that first consolidation. It was a 20% consolidation. If we hit our target in terms of Bitcoin on this hourly, right? If this target plays out to the upside to $12,000 or so, I forget what it is. I did it yesterday, but and my line got all screwed up. That's why it's not correct, but it's around 12,200 or so. If we hit that area in terms of this RSI on the weekly chart, right, we're going to see that begin to go up through this line. And at that time, we have to anticipate potential consolidation. So while a move to 12,000 plus is awesome, you know, if we get it, be ready for you know, following weeks where say we're at like 12,300 and the following weeks we're back down to $8,000 area. I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but be prepared for an environment like that. If you want to buy more Bitcoin under $10,000 and you feel like you missed that boat, that might come again, that opportunity. But please remember, in my opinion, that will be a short-term consolidation, and it will be a continuation of Bitcoin to all-time highs, because we are in a brand new cycle now. We're entering a brand new cycle, getting ready to enter a brand new bull market. So any consolidation that we get, 20%, 30%, 40%, it won't last that long, and we will continue, in my opinion. So I wanted to give you that data because it's right there on our screens, 100% consistent. This isn't my opinion. Wanted to share it with you. Let me know your thoughts below. If you're here and you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the channel, especially as we enter this bull market. I hope you have a great night. I will see you in the next video. God bless.